How to hide your Snapchat story from someone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can hide your Snapchat story from someone. So in order to hide your Snapchat story from someone or to customize your story settings on Snapchat, you have to follow the steps. The first thing is you need to log in into your Snapchat account. Now just go ahead and upload a story. Let me just go ahead and take a random snap and then type in whatever you want and then go to stories. As you can see that the story has been added. Once it is added, now tap the Bitmoji icon from the top right hand side corner and scroll down a bit, and right on this page you'll be able to see my stories, and here you can see this is my story. In order to customize it, tap the three dot icon and then go to story settings. Then you can see currently I only have this feature as friends only, but then you can customize it, and here you can just select the contact from whom you actually want to hide your story. So I'm gonna go with this one and click on block, and then once you have done that, the following user will not be able to see my Snapchat story. So that is how you can customize or hide your Snapchat story from someone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.